Welcome to Web2 Tools e-learning platform, modules and video series, online assessments with quizzes. The gamification of learning is very important for students in order to maintain engagement as well as assess for true knowledge and understanding. Quiz is a learning platform that offers multiple tools to make a classroom fun, interactive, and engaging. As a teacher, you can create lessons, conduct formative assessment, assign homework. In regards to general information, teaching methodologies, lecturing, discussion, drill practice, group work, question and answer, project-based learning, collaborative learning, hybrid learning, demonstration, assessment type, written test and quiz, task analysis, peer evaluation, oral response, work sample, project-based activity. Learning objectives. Participants will be able to name and recall the functions of quizzes as a tool for conducting online assessments. To create and design exams with quizzes. To understand educational use of quizzes. To embed quizzes into their game-based teaching environment. To analyze the results quizzes with using quizzes. The first one we want to look at is the sign up, how to register on quizzes. The first step, log into www.quizzizz.com from a browser and click on sign up on the top right corner. Quizzizz is super easy to sign up for. You can either link your Google account or you can use your work email address. Quizzizz is an online tool that allows teachers to conduct student-paced formative assessments in a fun and engaging way for students of all ages. It's simple to learn and completely free to use. After providing students with a unique access code, a quiz can be recorded live as a time competition or used as a homework with a specific deadline. The resulting data is compiled into a spreadsheet to give the instructor a clear visual of the student's performance in order to analyze trends in which areas might need the most focus in the future. This immediate feedback can be used by teachers to revise future learning activities and alter the concentration of material by putting a more significant emphasis on concepts that students are struggling with. To play a game on quizzes, you can either choose from a library of millions of public quizzes, or you can decide to create your own quiz. Once you have picked a quiz, you can conduct it in the classroom with Quizzizz Live mode, or assign it as a homework game for students to practice at their own time. Students can use any device with a browser to join the game. Using quizzes in classroom. Go to quizzizz.com and click Get Started. If you want to use an existing quiz, you can use the search for quizzes box and browse. Students can go to quiz.com join and type in the 6-digit code to participate in the live quiz or complete the homework. They will be asked to enter a name to be identified by. Once the students are finished, refresh your page and you will be able to view the results of the quiz. Let's take a look at creating your own quizzes. First step is select the Create panel, then the Sign Up panel and fill in the form. It is super easy to create a quiz. There is lots of help if you need it. You basically just click, type and go. You can create multiple choice or true-false questions with quizzes. Enter a name for the quiz and an image if you like. You can also select its language and make it either public or private. Fill in a question as well as answers and be sure to click the incorrect icon next to the correct answer. In order to change it to correct, select Class New Question and repeat step 4. Do this until you have made all of your questions. When you are creating a question, you can actually go and pull questions from a bank of all the other tests that are ever created by other teachers. You can type in anything you want. It will pull up a list of all the results, and you have to do is handpick what you want and insert it directly into your own quiz. Click Finish in the top right corner. Select the appropriate grade range, subjects, and topics. You can also add tags to make it easier to search for. What is Quizzizz features? 1. Instructor-paced lessons and quizzes. 2. Student-paced lessons and quizzes. 3. Bring your own device. 4. Access to millions of quizzes. 5. Editor. 6. Reports. 7. Options to customize. 8. Sharing and collaboration. Spend time on search. It's important to spend time searching the database, as more time can result in a near-finished quiz rather than the much longer process of making your own. Also, the more you search, the better you become at using the platform. As is early, start a class or even a term using a quiz that will assess how students are grasping a test or subject area. This can help tune how you teach the subject both on a class and teacher-to-student level. Use parents. Send the result emails to parents and make sure students know that happens, perhaps monthly, so they can have another set of eyes on their efforts. Self-assessment. 1. Create a Quizzizz account and prepare 20 questions quiz about a subject. 2. Generate a game pin number and share it with the students.